This editor mocap is also the continuation of my no-slip walk cycle. Links to that video are below and or at the end. I'm using a make human character that turns in waves. The in-place female walk cycle is from Mixamo. This is where I left off with the no-slip walk cycle video. Frame range at 150. Set amateur rotation to zeros. I like to have another perspective, so I'll change the outliner to viewport and have my character in a front view. Turn on auto keyframe and check only active key setting. Under keying, select rotation. Press tab for edit and select pose mode. Open the NLA editor, push down the amateur action and select it. Select the upper right arm and insert a keyframe at each contact pose position to keyframe 38, and there rotate the arm to a waving position. I end the wave at keyframe 110, which is still a contact pose. I continue to keyframe the right arm at each contact pose thereafter. To smooth out the raising of the arm, select keyframe 38 in the timeline and slide to frame 50. If necessary, make further visual adjustments to the arm in the front view. Still in edit mode, select head bone, keyframe at 20. At 40, rotate the head bone on the Z-axis about 90 degrees. At frame 100, keyframe and rotate the head bone back to the forward position. Slide the 100 keyframe to 119. Shift D keyframe 40 to 91. If there's a jerky motion from the waving after rendering in cycles, go back and keyframe the hand anywhere in the wave position. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.